Recipe for Indian-style momos. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup ghee or oil, 1/2 cup lukewarm water. Filling ingredients, see below. Filling: vegetables, finely chopped, cabbage, carrots, onions, 1 onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: add ghee or oil and mix, knead for 10 minutes. 2. Prepare the filling, mix all filling ingredients. 3. Assemble momos, divide dough into small balls. Place a tablespoon of filling in the center. Fold and press edges to seal. For steam momos, place momos in a steamer basket, leave space, or until cooked through. Serve with chutney or sauce. Enjoy your homemade momos. For momos, red sauce. Ingredients: 1 cup tomatoes, diced, 1/2 cup red chili peppers, diced, 1/4 cup garlic, minced, 1/4 cup ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala, 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/4 cup water, fresh cilantro. 4. Garnish. Instructions: 1. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. 2. Add cumin seeds and let them sizzle. 3. Add garlic, ginger, and sauté until fragrant. 4. Add diced tomatoes, red chili peppers, coriander powder, garam masala, red chili powder, and salt. Mix well. 5. Cook until the sauce thickens and the flavors meld together. 6. Add lemon juice and water. Stir well. 7. Garnish with cilantro. 5. Serve with chutney or sauce. Enjoy your homemade momos. A 1/4 cup garlic, minced.